Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to open this Mercedes-Benz hood and where is this position in here. And firstly we have to go to visit in car's inner area because there is this opening switch, and let's go to look that inner area first. And there is this inner area and we have to go in that area, and there is one red this switch and it is in here, and I have to move this switch in here in that way, and then bonnet opens. That one. It is a little bit hidden in that area, and there are gas pedal and brake pedal, and this is like hand brake, but just in here a little bit like hidden is this red, and normally this makes click sound. Click and bonnet opens, and then we go to bonnet area. And now I have already removed this my Mercedes mask and this grill because I like to show that there is this locking switch in here in this part. An idea is that there is this press switch what I move, and then this part opens, and this is like this bonnet holding switch, and now when I move that in this way the bonnet opens. Look, so easy. And this is the trick. In this way and bonnet opens, and I install normally my fingers in here, and purpose is to move this switch in here, and this is this locking pin. When we close this our bonnet, look, it goes nicely in there. And final step is in Mercedes that I have to press this totally down, and now it's like in deeper in there. And now I take really this mask grill away that we can see that how this bonnet switch works. And this is really heavy duty steel because Mercedes-Benz cars, they can drive even 200 miles per hour or 300 kilometers per hour, and that's bonnet is like heavy duty steel, half inches steel in here. Really well German engineering. Then I like to also give information that in this Mercedes-Benz car there are two of those bonnets locking pin what keeps this heavy and big bonnet in position in here. There is one in this right side and in left side also. In left side in here that area, and this is in well in here. Excellent.